Okay.
So what do you call this?
It's called tostones. It's from a green banana.
Wow. Green banana. I never tasted it.
Yeah, it's really good. It's one of my favorite dishes. It's a Spanish dish. A lot of people from like Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, they eat this dish because it's very good.
Wow, it's nice.
Yeah. Try with the sauce. It's called mayucachu. Mayucachu is mayonnaise, ketchup, and a little bit of pique. Pique means hot sauce. How you feel?
Oh my god. It's good.
Yeah.
You made this?
Yeah.
You're awesome.
Hell yeah.
Let me enjoy.
Yeah. So this is our food. It says tostones. These are some Chinese dishes. Some potato, fried potato. Some hot dog. Eggplant. Some nice bread. Fried bread.
Man, serious, this is
And
good.
some fish. And some squid. I like to eat squid. High in protein.
Oh my god. That's so good.
Pues, ya tú sabes, mi gente. You about to grub. Talk to you later for the next video, alright? Deuces.